Welcome to Whispers. So, it's all about the reps. So, from all indication, the reps are taking the masses for a ride. They're cruising at you at the masses' expense. They've been up to no good. These are adults behaving badly. They are not even taking their job. They're not even taking it with the needed professional seriousness. It is a joke to them, the way they even conduct themselves. If you support it, say aye. If you're not in support, say nay. The nay, the ayes have it. I mean, it's a joke to them. They're making a mockery of people's lives. Look at the way they're conducting themselves. These are political criminals. These are career criminals, career thieves. Look at them. All of them. Educationally, they are not qualified. Mentally, they are incapacitated. Ìkó-gbé-kò-wú jàǹkó ní gbogbo wọn, àwọn rán wọn, àwọn játijàti. And these are supposed somebody's husband, somebody's father, somebody's grandfather. Mẹ̀kúnnù, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ tí yín o. So we're gonna go through a couple of headlines of what the reps have been up to. They've been up to no good. So it is a shame. Well, I didn't expect much. I'm not expecting anything from this government, really. Who is even the president? The Ebola, Akpabio, boys to men. Kini focus. Amori osikiri kini nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe, kini function tó fẹ́ ṣe. All of them no kówó jẹ, gbogbo wọn ló lè, gbogbo wọn ní bàráwò, gbogbo wọn ní. So the reps, this 10th one, like previous ones, they've been up to no good. But this one, their own, then they do a koro like koro like this. They're doing their own koro. Then they do a koro as in, what do you go do? What do you want to do? So let's find out what they've been up to. So reps reject amendments to motion. Rep rejects amendments to motion seeking to suspend increase in fuel price. This was the first thing that they did that really got me, that I was like, so they don't care. The masses can suffer. So let's find out. Come along with me. The House of Representatives has rejected an amendment to a motion seeking to suspend the recent increase in the pump price of petrol. Members voted against the amendment after Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu, who presided over plenary, questioned if it was in the place of the House to take such a position, since pump price is controlled by the market forces. A member, Honorable Ugochinyere Ikenga, had moved a motion calling for an investigation into the increases and the price of petrol since the removal of petrol subsidy. However, the House resolved to carry out an investigation to ascertain the veracity of the increases. In another development, the House also rejected a motion to set up an ad hoc committee to collate the views of lawmakers, civil organizations, as well as the public, and engage the government on the selection of the best palliative options to cushion the effect of removal of of fuel subsidy in Nigeria. This comes amid uncertainties by Nigerians and indeed members of the House who questioned how the funds approved for the president would be utilized. Honorable Dennis Agbo, who moved the motion, had said it would be best for Nigerians to determine the best politics for them, just as he expressed concern about how little the proposed monthly cash handout of 8,000 can achieve for a selected household of 5 members under current potential inflationary pressure. Can you imagine? Àwọn tẹ̀yàn nìyẹn o. Mẹ̀kúnnù. Àwọn tẹ̀yàn nìyẹn o. Wọ́n reject the motion seeking to suspend increase in the price because they can't be bothered. Wọ́n really care. But that was how, for me, that was the first thing I was like, Yeah, no, I said that was just tip of the iceberg. Oh my God. The rate is touching spiral down. It's so, I don't know. Then, that was that one. Then, there was this other one, what's this guy's name? The president Akpabio. Then he made the joke about let the poor breathe. I mean, the way he said it, he was so condescending. He was so rude, like as if the masses are nobody. Well, you people are nobody to them. You don't matter to them. And was saying let the poor breathe. But you people, it was your slogan now. It was a bonus slogan. But you people, you are giving the people the Floyd treatment. You're choking them. You're making life difficult for them by the minute. By the minute. Can you imagine? Let the poor breathe. Let the poor. I think for that one, there was this person. Let me go and check the headlines about the let the poor breathe thing. Akpabio is no good. It's not serious at all. It's not serious. It's not a in your radani, in your jaku. In your lásán ni. Ń fún àwọn èèyàn ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ti yó. So ẹ mọ̀ bóyá bí ń pa ọmọ bàbá ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan. This guy, what's the saying? Party Tommy. Give him hot. Give it to him hot for mocking the poor, for mocking the masses amid this self-inflicted hardship on the people. But orúgbẹ̀yìn ti gba allowance yẹn ti gba everything kó kọ́ yín. What Party Tommy, I am traumatized by this mocking of the poor by our Senate. In a decent society, we should have had resignations by now. Absolutely. I know where Godwill Akpabio was before Obong Victor Atta gave a hand. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, ọ̀mùtí àti gbàgbé ìṣẹ́. Better an honest poor than a rich thief politician. Ṣé o rí báyìí sìn? Ó ti fún ẹ ní wòtòwòtò. Gbàgbó sí yẹn. He went forth only to abuse public trust and mock the victims, as is becoming habit of the criminal network of our politicians, is to forget how transient power is. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àbí Akpabio kọ́ ni. Akpabio tí Tinubu lọ mú wá. Torí ṣíọ. Mo ti ẹ̀rí lẹ́nu jẹ́ mẹ́ta rẹ̀ máa tutù. Támúfìlà tá gbé síwájú orí. Ó ti gbàgbé. All will do well to remember the judgment of conscience, the judgment of history, and the judgment of God. It reigns. I wonder what it will take to make people realize that values shape human progress. Sustainable progress is not possible where culture is in collapse and institutions are dysfunctional. Sadly, this seems exact reality in Nigeria. Citizens need to be awakened to where we are. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o, ó sòótọ́ lélẹ̀. The abuse of public trust. Ó ti pọ̀ jù. It's a criminal network. It's a criminal network. All of them, they are just recycling themselves. I mean, that was, he had to. If he can't stomach it, I know that there will be millions of people out there too that can't stomach it, like myself. Imagine rada. Àpàbí ọ̀run tó useless bí ọwọ́ òsì. Ó bàjẹ́ ó gọ́ ó fẹnu ọ̀ra mi ò rí súrà tó dá kankan lára ẹ̀. Mi ò rí súrà tó dá kankan, mi ò rí lára ẹ̀. As if that was not enough o. Another cruise tó rẹ̀ o. Kí tiẹ̀ níná. Which other one? There was one that he did. There was the screening. The screening cruise. Oh my God. That one was just ridiculous. It was ridiculous. You need to see the way they conducted their shameful ministerial screening. Àwọn ministers tí ò ní portfolio. You are just screening people. You didn't allocate to them. You didn't assign to them a specific job. Okay, as Minister of Education, okay, how are you going to revive the educational system? It's just like friends meeting in a club, cruising. We all know you. Kinikon. You don't have to say much. Okay, take a bow. Most of them, they are not even fit for the job, because if you're going for such a job, oh my God, fake results, fake certificates. It's a shame. Even younger ones can do better. There was this guy. I'm trying to remember his name now. I think I'll come back to it. That guy, they were asked, you are going for a job interview. If you're supposed to go with your best, I think he's the one that had oh my God, Kiloni, no, he's the one that has two credits. He had 2 credits, and he ended up being a lawyer. And they were asking him, and he was saying that he has loads of other certificates. If you are going for a job, shouldn't you go with your best of the best? How ridiculous is that? But Wike no law. Wike was just a walk in the park. You know, that kind of a way. But he was this guy, Festus Kayamo, or whatever his name. He started by, I know all of you, we've been colleagues at one point or another. He start how to say, Nigeria is gone. It's gone. Look at the crew. So they are saying that kò sí àwọn capable hands, kò sí àwọn youth tó lè ṣe kíní dáadáa, tó wà prepared. Can you imagine? I remember there was this guy, Bosun or something, that they were asking him to apologize. Oh God, but I like what they did to Rufai. 2 things that this rep that they've done, upon all their madness, so upon all their stealing and criminal whatever, 2 things that they've done that I can like just clap for one. Tintini was the one of El Rufai. El Rufai, yeah. Kaduna Little Finger, Ati, the one of Ebola not telling him that he should find out that war isn't it, that he should try to resolve the Niger Buhaha through negotiation, that they didn't support military action or intervention whatsoever. Any other thing, Oshisko nonsense, non-show. Oshirano ni wọ́n ń ṣe o. Wọ́n tiẹ̀, you know, wọ́n show seriousness at all. Anybody is somebody in support of Kika, nay, the eyes have it. I mean, now, break it, the camel's could I break it, the camel's back? I think it's just the tip of the iceberg. Only what is it now? The latest one, because they're on holiday now. Can you imagine? That do 110 billion to buy cars, 70 billion to, I think 110 billion to buy bulletproof cars, 70 billion as palliatives. There are other àjẹmọ́nú under the table. Tí wọ́n ti máa pa pín o, tí wọ́n ti pẹ̀pín ẹ̀ sára bẹ́ẹ̀ yan. So when they were now going on the before they went on holiday, it's the same Akpabio bí mo ṣe wọ̀n yẹn kò ní pẹ́ lọ. Ó ti gbàgbéra, ó wá ń sọ fún wọn. Oh yes, I gotta read this. So I withdraw my statement, Senate President Godwin Akpabio says, after he publicly announced that a little token had been sent to the senator's account. Senate President Godwin Akpabio immediately withdrew his statement after he was caught on tape announcing that a little token had been sent to each senator's account as they embark on vacation. What token? What token? Ládùúrú gbogbo owó within how many within this short period o, ládùúrú owó tí wọ́n ti rí, that owó tí wọ́n mọ nǹkan tó máa fi ṣe, wọ́n ti wá ń ṣe token because they are going on vacation. The lawmakers went into recess on Monday and to resume on September. While speaking during the plenary on August 8th, Akpabio, who appeared not to know it was being televised live, announced that the clerk of the House had sent a little token to the accounts of each senator as they go on holiday. It's not a token, no. This money is like 2 million or something, no. I need to find that. The money that is being referred to as a token to an average Nigerian is more than token, no. It's more than token, no. Putting into consideration the present situation of things, so it's more than token, no. Wọ́n fi token. Wọ́n fi token sínú account wọn, ẹ máa imagine token ṣá. Àwọn tẹnu wọn ti fẹ̀. Àwọn wọ̀nbílíkì wọ̀nbíà. Àwọn tẹnu wọn ti fẹ̀. Okay. Okay, token to the accounts of each senator as they go on holiday. In order to enable all of us to enjoy our holiday, a token has been sent to our various accounts by the clerk of the National Assembly, he said. It appears that he was immediately alerted that he was on live TV, and a day after withdrew his statement, saying, I withdraw that statement. In order to allow you to enjoy your holiday, the Senate President has sent prayers to your email boxes to assist you on your safe journey and return. Imagine, wọ́n ti rate wa rárá. Wọ́n rate wa at all. Look at just there. They got 2 million each. They got 2 million each. They got to, this is a slap. It's worse than a slap. This is a coup. This is, in our faces, lójú kòrò, wọ́n abuse wa. No rip the masses, no rip the masses apart. Wọ́n tiẹ̀ wá ṣe ní wọ́n ìṣe tí wọ́n ṣe sí ta ló máa mú mi. Ìṣe ta ló máa mú mi ni wọ́n wù. Ṣé ìwà tí wọ́n wù ṣé kò wá burú ju military coup lọ? Ṣé kò tí ì burú ju military coup lọ? Isn't this institutional abuse of power? Isn't this institutional corruption? These are institutional criminals. So, the interest of the people, interest of the masses, really matters. So, go see no dictionary one. They said they are there because of the people, but I know that they are only there because of their own selfish, whatever. Because I won't serve the people, no. Mekuno. Okay, so let's see what the people have to say. Okay. Somebody said, talking for vacation when Nigerians are suffering. Ebola and Akpabio will destroy Nigeria soonest. Of course, good luck to, Nigeria that is destroyed. The country is now in the hands of jokers. Absolutely. It's standing now. They are running a comedy show now. Ebola, comedy show. The country is now in the hands of jokers. Nigeria is the only country where a lawmaker talks carelessly, knowing that he is not answerable to anyone at all. Now, so we see them. You see them. That's what they do. Share our money to go on holiday. That's why they can mock us. They can't be bothered. That token can't be less than 2 million naira each. Taking people for a ride. The masses have been pushed to the wall and they keep pressing us against the wall. Which masses have been pushed to which? What are they pushing into the wall? Oh, they better revolt. Revolt now. You can still take it. When you press a spring hard, be ready for the impact when it gets released. When is it gonna get released? Is it when the spring break? It has on to con that's on. In Bauluto release. Masses, talk is cheap. Echo she that's all. Today lo she just come for oríṣiríṣi lọ́yìn. The day we begin to hold our rulers responsible is the day they will begin to take us seriously. Until then, they play. Of course, the day we begin to hold our rulers responsible is the day they will begin to take us seriously. Yes, masses, ọ̀rọ̀ yín. This is even a tip of the iceberg. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, nǹkan tí wọ́n máa ṣe, nǹkan tí àwọn Akpabio boys to men, tí wọ́n máa ṣe fún yín, ní lè sọ. Okay, this is even a tip of the iceberg. More dangerous things happen to the common resources by these people in government. That is why they can kill to be. Of course, I want to study family affair now. Those are the fathers. The fathers are the reps. Their children are under the committees now. They are within in and heading different committees. So kile wan so until the citizenry decides and say enough is enough. Masses, but when you can joke síbẹ̀, but when you can say enough is enough. So you are deciding. Emurasi, Nigeria will continue to die in the hands of these thieves and garbs, of course. Lootation continua. Akpabio biggest thief. Democracy my fault. Of course, they are looters, they are scavengers. Even the carcass of Nigeria gone off. Masses, they are feeding fat on you people. So, when is enough gonna be enough? When are you gonna stand up? Nigeria is gone. Break it up to save lives. Kó ní kálukú dúró sórí ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Ká wá wò bóyá wọ́n máa try, because when it is something, when they want to attack the masses, they see themselves as one. There is no tribe, there is no religion. They see themselves as one. They do it in one voice, in togetherness. Kò sí division o. Kò sí kíní kankan, wọn nílò divide and rule and conquer tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ gang up against the masses so, but tó bá fẹ́ dì pẹ̀lú ẹ̀yin masses wọ́n wá gbé divide and rule sí, so that kẹ́ má bàa gang up against them, so that kẹ́ má bàa lè stand up and ask for what is rightfully yours. Masses, when are you gonna wake up? When are you going to smell the coffee? Tinubu ti lọ gbé war one sin. This is the best time to break up Nigeria. The east to the east, the west to the west, the north to the north, the south to the south. Àìjẹ́ àwa máa sọ tiwa. A máa sọ tiwa. Owó sí àwa ohun. Me, I'm saying my own, sha. All I can do is say my own. That is all I can contribute. So, but ó máa dáa. Ẹlẹ́rù ló máa gbé níbi tó ti wúwo. Masses ẹ dìde. Ẹ̀yin lẹ fún wọn láyọ̀yọ̀. These people are feeding on your back. Once you stand up, that is the end of the food. No more food. All these things they are, you are the one facilitating it. Tí ó bá sẹ́yìn kò sáwọn. Ìdánbalẹ̀ ara ẹ̀ jẹ́ ni tó ló rò pé òun bá àkọ́jẹ́ ni. So tí ó bá sẹ́yìn kò sí àwọn. Not that tí ó bá sáwọn kò sẹ́yìn. No. Power belongs to the people. But it is one thing for you to know that you have, to know what you have, and to know how to use what you have. So excuse me. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. It's a shame that in the 21st century Taiwan, people are behaving like that. Àwọn tó yẹ kó wà lẹ́wọ̀n. Kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kó kàn wọ́n. Look at them. None of them is healthy. They are not even fit. Yeah. Even children in kindergartens wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ó ga gan. Gbogbo èèyàn ṣáà dáṣe ojúro yín, wọ́n ṣáà wò yín. Wọ́n ń wò yín, but wíwò kọ́ ló máa solve. Tó bá ń wò yín, ẹ máa bàjẹ́ jù báyìí lọ. Meanwhile, ìgídé ẹyẹ ó ní sìn gbogbo yín ẹ ti gbọ́lidé lọ. Ebola ó ti gbẹ̀yìn yín, ó ti lọ sí àwọn ọmọ ogun. Ẹ ti gbọ́lidé lọ. Holiday yẹn mo dẹ̀ wá kàn ṣe holiday yẹn kò kí ń ṣe inú Nigeria. It's outside Nigeria. The masses are stuck. They don't have anywhere to go. From them to even move from their house to the market. Some people have to walk because they can't afford to pay the fare to get from point A to B. And you people, you are flangering. You are cruising at their expense. You see, the massive, they've lost so much. They don't have anything to lose again. But you, when that time comes, all of you will lose everything. Gbóhùn yín kẹ́ ẹ sá lọ kó tún wé ń jí. bóun yín kẹ́ ẹ sá lọ Kàfàǹchà, bóun yín kẹ́ ẹ sá lọ sínú olè, bóun yín kẹ́ ẹ sá kúrò ní Nàìjíríà, kẹ́ ẹ sá lọ anywhere. Ẹ máa lose náà because it's ill gotten. It's ill gotten. Ajẹ́pọ̀ níta dán, gbogbo ohun tẹ́ bá jẹ báyìí lẹ máa pọ̀ ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. So guys, they are cruising, and they are, wow, and it's a lovely ride. I can't wait for the next episode when they come back. Let's see what joke, because they are clowns. What comical act they're gonna come up with. So that's it, guys. But when is enough gonna be enough? For how long is it gonna be business as usual? Okay, masses. G Mason. G Mass. What? Okay, so guys, it's a wrap. So they're just cruising, laughing. Let the poor breathe when they are choking you. Anyway, thanks for listening to me. Until I come your way again. Bye.